Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have the update for the Say Good Day to Project Pan. This was created by Beauty by Bella here on YouTube. This is a fantastic ladies collab and yeah, it started on January 26, 2020 and will end on July 26, 2020. So all previous empties will be listed down below as always. And we have a new empty. The category was for Cuddly Koala, which is something with cute packaging. So I picked the Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette because I find this packaging in baby pink incredibly cute, minus all my dirty, that cat just scared me, stains on this palette. And the shade I picked was Pink Peony. We got some nice, clean pan. If you're wondering, I have not decided yet if I'm going to pop it out like I did when I finished Cotton last year, but right now it's staying. I've used it 9 times and then it was finally finished. In the last update, it had some nice panage and really didn't need that much use, so I'm happy I finally finished it. This was finished on the 17th of April. So now, whoa, I really just dug my nail in peacock. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Today is one of those days. I woke up really early for no particular reason. Okay, so now let's just talk about everything that's left. The first category that's left is Aussie 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 Oi Oi Oi, and that is an item that is gold or green or yellow, or the packaging is gold or green or yellow. So I picked the ABH single eyeshadow in 10K. This is what it currently looks like. I am wearing it today. I put sea siren on top of it. Don't know how I really feel about it. I feel like it kind of makes it a subtle look. But yeah, I've only used it 3 times since the last update. Better than none. But I definitely do need to start pulling it like I did today and getting creative with it if I want to actually finish it up by July. So need to step up my game a little bit. Next, I have the Shrimp on the Barbie category, which is a product that some people hate and you love, and vice versa. I picked the Wet n Wild foundation in porcelain. I'm going to actually mark this real quick because I see that it has finally resettled. I haven't been able to mark it to see where it resettled. This is the last update. I've only used it 4 times. I'm so close to finishing my Fenty foundation that I've been trying really to just keep wearing that, but I have had some non-makeup days, so that's why the Fenty foundation is not completely done yet. But at the moment, it is now at this pink mark, so it has gone down. I still think I will be able to finish it by the finale, but it definitely is a foundation that I really don't like, and I really also sometimes just can't get it to work for me. So yeah, that's how it's looking at the moment. Next, I have the trait Dangerous Animals, and it's something that makes you look fierce. So I picked the Urban Decay lipstick in Bun Bun. I've only used it once. Okay, I finally picked up my lipstick panning game again. But I definitely need to put this out more, so I reach for it because I do really like the shade, but it's just not on my focusing block, chopping block, I don't know what to call it, block, but it's just not a #1 focus right now. The next and the last category we now have to talk about is Vegemite for breakfast, lunch, and tea. And that is a product you could use every day and never get sick of. So I picked the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paris Perfume. It's currently at this pink mark. In the beginning of the project, it was at this other pink mark. Actually, I think that's red. I think it's red. But yeah, pretty much consistent progress. I didn't count. Oh, I don't have to count my numbers because it's at a solid 20 uses since the last update. Yeah. I've picked it up 20 times. I wish I could get a bigger jump in progress like I had here from a previous project, but it's just not happening. I'm using it as room spray whenever I feel the need, but I pretty much wear it every time I reach for perfume. I have started now panning 2 other perfumes, and there is a sample perfume I want to get out of my collection real quick. So I have been trying to wear those sometimes, but I'm still mostly wearing this. Can I finish it by the end of the update? End of this project? I think that is still a possibility of me finishing it by the end of the project, or at least like getting close to done, because this has lasted a while. It is one of my favorites, but I definitely need more cruelty-free perfumes in my life and not Victoria's Secret. So yeah, that is the current state of this project. This project is definitely not getting the most love it could get at the moment, but it's doing good so far. We have a lot of time left to go. So yeah, if you enjoy me, you enjoy project panning, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.